In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Mozilla Firefox if it keeps crashing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to restart Firefox in safe mode. So, go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and scroll down to Help. Here, I want you to click the Troubleshoot mode, or sometimes restart with add-ons disabled, depending on the Firefox version that you have. I want you to click on it and there should be a small pop-up window that will appear. Click the restart option. Now, another pop-up window will appear, and if Firefox works on safe mode, the problem is likely caused by an add-on or a theme. So click on Open. As you can see, we have successfully troubleshoot the issue. Another option that we can look into is go again to the three horizontal lines, go back to Help, and click the About Firefox. Now, Firefox will automatically check for updates. Click to restart to update Firefox if an update is available, because keeping Firefox updated fixes many crash issues caused by bugs. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix crashing issues in Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.